Have you ever marveled at the zesty kick in your sauerkraut or the mellow tartness of a well-brewed beer? Let's embark on a historical and scientific quest to unravel the mystery of fermentation, the silent alchemist behind our favorite foods and drinks. Who stumbled upon this magical process that transforms humble ingredients into culinary treasures? Did ancient civilizations have secret recipes that laid the foundation for today's gastronomic delights? The story of fermentation is woven through the tapestry of human history, with its threads reaching as far back as 9,000 years. Imagine Neolithic people, much like us, reveling in the discovery of bubbly beer and aromatic bread. Indeed, as empires rose and cultures mingled, the art of fermentation spread, adapting and evolving with the people who cherished it. In Asia, it birthed the savory soy sauces and pastes essential to their rich culinary heritage. Meanwhile, European and American societies were bubbling up their own fermented concoctions like sauerkraut, pulque, and chicha. But could this simple method of preservation have deeper implications for global food culture? As we dig into the past, fermentation reveals itself as a crucial survival tactic, allowing ancient farmers to store their bounty long before refrigerators existed. This nutritional alchemy also offered enhanced benefits, fortifying diets across the globe. Was this all just a happy accident, or was there a mastermind behind the magic of fermentation? Enter Louis Pasteur, a name synonymous with scientific breakthroughs, whose curiosity led him to unlock the secrets of yeast and its pivotal role in fermentation. He challenged the notion of spontaneous generation and shone a light on the tiny microbes responsible for this remarkable transformation. Fast forward to today, where Pasteur's legacy lives on in the intricate dance of yeast and sugars, creating everything from effervescent champagnes to hearty ales. But what about those of us eager to dabble in fermentation? Can modern innovations simplify this age-old technique? That's where Burp Lids steps in, revolutionizing the home fermentation process with smart design and user-friendly features. No more daily burping of jars or battling with mold, just crisp, perfectly preserved flavors at your fingertips. Are you part of the growing community of health-conscious foodies seeking the gut-brain axis benefits that fermented foods offer? The art of fermentation isn't just about flavor. It's about fostering a beneficial bacterial community within our own bodies. Science has shed light on how the probiotics in fermented foods can soothe inflammation and fortify our mental well-being. So, whether you're a budding fermenter or a seasoned pro, remember that this is a journey of taste, health, and discovery. Craft your health, cultivate your life. Dawn Hatfield.